The necklace, or the diamond necklace, in French La Parure, is an 1884 short story by French writer Guy de Maupassant. It is known for its twist ending, ironic ending, which was a hallmark of de Maupassant's style. The story was first published on the 17th of February 1884 in the French newspaper Les Gaulois. The story has been adapted to film and television several times. One of the themes within The Necklace is the dichotomy of reality versus appearance. Madame Loisel is beautiful on the outside, but inside she is discontented with her less than wealthy lifestyle. Mathilde is gripped by a greed that contrasts with her husband's kind generosity. She believes that material wealth will bring her joy, and her pride prevents her from admitting to Madame Forestier that she is not rich, and that she has lost the necklace she borrowed. Because of her pride and obsession with wealth, Mathilde loses 10 years of her life and spends all of her savings on replacing the necklace, only to find out that the original necklace was a fake to begin with, a falsely wealthy appearance. Just like Madame Loisel herself, the story demonstrates the value of honesty. If Mathilde had told the truth to Madame Forestier, she would likely have been able to easily replace the necklace and enjoy the prosperity she wanted but never had. Plot summary: Madame Mathilde Loisel has always imagined herself an aristocrat. Despite being born into a family of clerks, which she describes as an accident of fate. Her husband is a low-paid clerk who tries his best to make her happy but has little to give. Still, the young couple can afford the services of a young Breton girl as a servant. After much effort, he secures for them an invitation to a ball sponsored by the Ministry of Education. Mathilde refuses to go, for she has nothing to wear and wishes not to be embarrassed. Upset at her displeasure, Loisel gives her 400 francs, all the money he had been saving, to go hunting with his friends, so she can buy a dress. Even after Mathilde does so, she is still unhappy because she has no jewels to wear with it. She spurns Loisel's idea of wearing fresh flowers instead, but takes his suggestion to borrow some jewelry from her friend, Madame Jean Forestier. She borrows a diamond necklace as her only ornamentation. Mathilde enjoys herself at the ball, dancing with influential men and reveling in their admiration. Once she and Loisel return home, though, she discovers that she has lost Jean's necklace. Unable to find it or anyone who knows where it might have gone, they resign themselves to buying a replacement at the Palais Royal shops. They find a similar necklace priced at 40,000 francs and bargain for it, eventually settling at 36,000. Loisel uses an inheritance from his father to cover half the cost and borrows the rest at high interest. Mathilde gives the necklace to Jean without mentioning the loss of the original, and Jean does not notice the difference. Loisel and Mathilde live in poverty for 10 years, with him taking on night work as a copier to earn extra money, and her sacrificing her beauty to do household chores on her own, while constantly bargaining with the clerks and vegetable sellers. They have given up, of course, their servant, and have moved to a poor apartment up many stairs. After all the loans are paid off, Mathilde encounters Jean on the Champs-Élysées, but Jean barely recognizes her due to her shabby clothing and unkempt appearance. Jeanne is also accompanied by her young daughter, of which little mention is made except by inference as the Loisels have no children. Mathilde tells Jean about the loss and replacement of the necklace, and of the hard times she has endured on Jeanne's account. She blames her former friend for the past miserable 10 years. Jeanne reveals that the necklace she lent to Mathilde had contained fake diamonds and was worth no more than 500 francs. End of the summary. Thank you.